we collect it and make tea every year. Okay. So every year we preserve them, we dry them like this with the room temperature and make a tea. It's enough for 4 years every year. See, look at this. Yeah, it's about dry right now.
Because this is like the number 2 grade. That's number 1 grade. And this is number 2.
This one number 1 peel, right?
Yeah, that's all the flowers.
Peel flower. And this one is like a stem or what?
The stems, yeah.
Stem of flower.
And what I was going to try, make sort of like a tea bag.
About 1 minute. The tea. Oh my god, taste is so good. This is very good tea. We will use the peel flower. That's it. Just a little bit.
This is pretty.
The color from flower seem like a little bit lighter.
A little bit lighter.